If you want to write the most effective copy possible while saving a lot of time and headaches, then you have to use formulas and templates. These are essentially formulas that you can fill out when you're writing copy to save a lot of time without sacrificing quality. You simply take a formula, you fill it out based on the target audience, the product, the client, and the campaign, and then suddenly you have amazing copy in way less time. I've covered the AIDA formula and the pain, agitate, solve formula in previous videos, so make sure to check those out. And I also talk more about these in my free courses you can get in the description. But today is a different one because I'm talking about before-after bridge. Now, before-after bridge is a formula you're going to use to essentially paint a picture of a customer's pain point and the situation they're in, and then you're going to show the after situation, which is much better, and them living their dream situation, but then bridge it with a product or service. Let's take copywriting itself as an example. So if you're like me and you offer copywriting services, the before situation would be someone that isn't having good experiences with writers, they have bad performing copy, and that means that they're going to be wasting time, churning employees, they won't be getting the conversions and the revenue they want. So you want to really focus on that pain point and really helping them picture it and elaborating on the symptoms. So if they're looking to hire a copywriter, we focus on that. But then we want to talk about afterwards and the dream situation, what they really want. So we can talk about how our copywriting services are going to generate leads, revenue, traffic, real tangible results, and business growth. But also we're professional, we're easy to work with, we have good communication, and we crush deadlines. And then you need the bridge. So how do you get the client from the before to the after? And that's going to be with a product, a solution, or a service. Now, in this case, with the example, it would be our freelance copywriting services to get them there. But it can be a product, it can be a free ebook or lead magnet. Once again, it just depends on the campaign, the audience, and the goal. But always try to paint that picture of a pain point, what they're really trying to escape from, show that heaven, and then give them something to bridge the gap. Today's just a quick video. I wanted to give you that tip just for writing better copy really quickly and with a lot less headaches. Once again, if you want to learn more about copywriting formulas and templates, you can go below in the description, get my free courses and other resources. Let me know what videos you'd like to see in the comments. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll catch you very soon.